Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1 and today I will show you how we can turn on or turn off store mode. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down to the device preferences. When we are here we have to scroll down again. And here we can find TV mode. So let's enter for it. And as you can see here we can activate store mode. Of course I'm not going to make it, because the store mode is designed for in-store display and feature introduction. So when I'm going to switch the store mode, it may increase power consumption, and I'm not going to make it. But if you want to just click OK, and it will be activated. I'm going to answer for the no. I'm going to stay with the home mode. But if your store mode is selected and if you want to switch to the home mode, just pick home mode like that. After that you can go back, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.